How much should you actually spend on a PC sound card? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, MOSWAG USB Audio Adapter. First up is the MOSWAG USB to 3.5mm jack audio adapter. At just $6.19, this little device caught my attention right away with its affordable price and the fact that it's a bestseller with over 8,000 reviews. If you want a simple, no-fuss way to add a headphone port to your PC or laptop, this is worth a serious look. The MOSWAG adapter is all about convenience. It connects via USB, meaning you don't need any fancy setup or driver installation. Just plug it in, and you're good to go. With a built-in DAC chip, it offers 16-bit/48 kHz audio output, which is pretty impressive for the price. This is perfect for casual listening or gaming, as it effectively reduces noise and enhances sound quality, allowing you to hear every detail clearly. Plus, it's compatible with a vast array of devices, including Windows, Mac, Linux, and even your gaming consoles like the PS4 and PS5. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're using multiple devices, you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. Now, some people complained about the durability of the cable. Here's the thing though, while it's not the sturdiest, the price point makes it a low-risk buy. If you need something for occasional use, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable sound solution that works across different platforms. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end audio fidelity, but for everyday use, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a great option for budget-conscious buyers. But if you're looking for something with a bit more audio enhancement, the next product might just do the trick. Product number 2, Sound Blaster Play 3. Next up is the Sound Blaster Play 3, which comes in at $17.99. What really stood out to me was its promise of high-quality audio enhancements and the fact that it has a 4.5-star rating with over 3,600 reviews. If you want an upgrade for your audio experience without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. The Play 3 is designed for instant connectivity with a simple plug-and-play setup. It supports 24-bit/96 kHz audio output, which means you're getting some seriously crisp sound quality. With its powerful downloadable software, you can fine-tune your audio settings, which is a huge bonus if you're into gaming or music production. This means you can customize sound profiles for different headphones, ensuring you get the best sound for whatever you're doing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're using quality headphones, you want a sound card that can really utilize their capabilities. Now, some users pointed out that it may not be compatible with all headsets without adapters. I'll be real with you. If you have specialized equipment, that might be a hassle. But for most standard setups, it's a small price to pay for improved audio. This is perfect for you if you're an enthusiast looking to enhance your audio without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you have very niche audio needs, but it's a fantastic value for most users. Now, if the MOSWAG's basic features were too limiting for you, the next product offers even more versatility. Product number 3, Sabrent USB Sound Card Adapter. The next product is the Sabrent USB External Stereo Sound Card Adapter, priced at $8.99. With over 40,000 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it's a popular choice. If you're looking for a straightforward sound card that just works, this one is definitely worth your attention. This Sabrent adapter is all about simplicity. It's driverless, meaning you can plug it into Windows, Mac, Linux, and even gaming consoles without any hassle. It offers stereo output and a mono microphone input, making it perfect for calls or gaming. The sound quality is decent, with 3D sound capabilities, which can really enhance your gaming experience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're a gamer or someone who enjoys video calls, having clear audio input and output can make a significant difference in your experience. Some users have mentioned that the sound quality isn't as high as more expensive options. Here's the thing though, at this price point, you're getting a lot of value. If you're just looking for basic functionality, it gets the job done without any bells and whistles. This is perfect for you if you want an effortless, budget-friendly sound solution. Skip this one if you're an audiophile looking for top-notch quality, but it's fantastic for casual users. Now, if you're after something that offers improved sound quality and more features, let's check out the next option. Product number 4. Ugreen USB Audio Jack Adapter. Next, we have the Ugreen USB to Audio Jack Sound Card Adapter, priced at $11.99. With a 4.4-star rating from nearly 20,000 reviews, this adapter caught my eye for its promise to upgrade sound quality. If you want to enhance your audio experience without a hefty investment, this is worth a look. The Ugreen adapter features a high-resolution DAC chip, which means you're getting better audio output than the average adapter. It offers noise reduction and supports 16-bit/48 kHz audio, which can really elevate your listening experience, whether you're gaming or enjoying your favorite tunes. What's great is that it's compatible across a wide range of devices, including Windows, Linux, and even gaming consoles. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a versatile adapter for different devices, this one has you covered. Some users have reported that it doesn't work with PS3. I'll be real with you. If you're specifically gaming on that console, you might be disappointed. But for everyone else, it's a small trade-off for the performance. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an upgrade in sound quality across multiple devices. Skip this one if you need PS3 compatibility, but it's a solid choice for most setups. Now, if you're looking for something that truly goes above and beyond with surround sound capabilities, the next product might just be your best bet. Product number 5. StarTech 7.1 USB Audio Adapter. Finally, we have a StarTech 7.1 USB Audio Adapter, priced at $37.95. This isn't the cheapest option on our list, but with a 4.0-star rating from 1,900 reviews, it offers some serious audio capabilities. If you're looking for a way to upgrade your audio setup to 7.1 surround sound, this is worth considering. This adapter is designed for serious audio enthusiasts. It provides up to 7.1 channels of sound, meaning you're getting immersive audio that can truly elevate your gaming or movie watching experience. It supports both analog and digital audio output, which is essential if you want to connect to various systems. Plus, it's easy to install with plug-and-play functionality. Here's why this matters for you. If you're serious about audio quality, especially for gaming or professional use, this adapter can deliver the sound experience you're looking for. Now, some users found it a bit tricky to set up with certain software. Here's the thing though. Once you get it going, the audio performance is well worth the initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you're an audio enthusiast wanting to upgrade to surround sound. Skip this one if you're just looking for basic audio needs, but if you want quality, it's a solid investment. So there you have it. We've covered everything from budget-friendly options like the Moswag and Sabrent to more advanced choices like the StarTech 7.1 adapter. Each one has its own strengths, so whether you're a casual user or a serious audiophile, there's something here for you. Choose the one that fits your needs best.